a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, and take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be from this world, running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above. Free.
the detailed specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking is from Idefinewig. Shout out to you, Idefinewig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking, this is purely me speculating because the company did send me a link. But I'm not sure if that's the right link because when I clicked on it, it didn't look anything like the unit that I am wearing. So I went on the site myself and I came across a wig that I think is the correct wig. Just check down below in the description box and I will have the correct information down there for you. Just wanted to throw that out there, okay, so you guys can know what's going on, okay? So anyways, the unit that I came across, ooh, honey, did you really just... Okay, all right, girl. Anyway, Highlight Royal Wavy 5x5 HD Lace Closure Wig, 180% density. And I really do think this is the right wig because it looks like the picture that the company sent me. So yeah, I think I'm on the right track. So this wig comes in both 16 and 18 inches. There are no other inches that this wig comes in, or it could just be this wig is not available in any other color. Now, if you do decide to get it in 18 inches, it's going to be an additional $40. But I do believe that I am rocking the 16-inch unit. I could be wrong, honey. That's purely me speculating, but that's what I feel. Now, you can get the wig in small, medium, and large. It doesn't matter, and it's not going to cost you any additional points, honey. And it says model hair length is 22 inches. So I'm guessing that they had longer lengths available, but they're no longer available. It says, no, because they got on here lengths 16 to 18 inches. So yeah, I don't know. All I do know is that they got 16 to 18 inches. Okay, girl. It says weight 200 grams, 100% virgin hair from one donor. Child, I don't know how she virgin, you know, with whatever. Anyways, it does say it lasts 1 more year, so I guess it lasts for a year. 180% density, hair color highlight, hairline pre-pluck. It can be dyed. The straps are adjustable, and it's 5x5 HD lace. And seeing the strap thing made me think about the fact that this unit does come with one of those little glueless strap things. So if you wanted to wear this wig strapless, not strapless, girl. If you wanted to wear this wig glueless, you definitely can. And I tried to show you guys at the beginning when I was putting the wig on what it looked like without me adhering it to my head whatsoever. It still looks really, really nice. I got things to do today, girl, okay? And I wanted old girl to be on, okay? So I did choose to use my Even Lace Glue Spray. But if you wanted to, this wig, you can definitely go out and about out here in these streets without it being adhered to your head, and it still is gonna look really, really good. Like the lace is definitely HD or clear or whatever they saying nowadays, child. It is definitely that, because without it even being on, like with any type of spray, glue, or anything, it still like just kind of melted in. So I would definitely say this is a glueless unit, and the lace is HD, honey. Okay, so I also want to mention that this is a 5x5 wig. So literally you have from here, from this baby hair to this baby hair, girl, okay? You can part it elsewhere. It does come as a middle part, but you can part it elsewhere if you want to. The reason I didn't is because of the highlights and where the highlights are placed, and I felt like that was gonna look the nicest and frame my face the best. So that's why I chose to leave it as a middle part, because you know, usually your girl is a side chick, honey, but I felt like this one just kind of gave middle part vibes. So I left her as is. And as far as it being big head friendly, child, she fits medium-ish, okay? I did not adjust the straps, but it did come with that little glueless band, so honey, it's fitting. But you can get in a small, medium, or large, so whatever size you wear, girl, get your size, okay? And yeah, that is basically it as far as the details and specs. It doesn't shed straight out of the packaging, and obviously it does not tangle. And yeah, y'all, that is basically it. Now, if you're interested in how I feel about old girl, as well as any products that I use in a full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so honestly, I am feeling her. I think she's a really, really cute wig. It's a great sort of everyday wig with a kick. Like, because it's highlighted, you can definitely wear this wig out, and it's going to give you all the vibes that you need, honey. It is Friday in-house brown, honey, okay? So if we want to get out here in these streets, I'm already cute. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to get out in the streets with this unit. You can, if you want to wear it as an everyday unit, you can as well. That little sprinkle of color just gives it an added but the length of this wig gives it an everyday appeal. So it is a very versatile unit in my opinion, and because it is a closure, it is really, really easy and convenient, and they have that little glueless strap, so you don't even have to lay your girl down if you don't want to, honey. It's purely up to you. I am feeling it. I think it's a look. I have no issues with this wig whatsoever. I have nothing bad to say about her. I will say that the density feels more 150% than 180 in my humble opinion, honey. Okay, but who am I? Okay, but in my opinion, it's just giving more of 150 than 180. This is all of the hair brought to the front. So yeah, but on my phone it said 180, but honey, could be the wrong wig, chat. I don't even know. But it is definitely, in my opinion, given 150% density. But it's like a good natural sort of 150. It's not bad. I really like it. I have no issues with it. I would recommend this wig, but I also like to let you guys know, you know, like what you're getting. And in my opinion, it's 100. It feels 150% density. Is a great everyday sort of cute popping wig. So yeah, that's what she is giving to you, girl. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and then we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. And as far as products that I used on this wig, I did use my even wax stick to kind of lay this down, because one side just had like sort of a puffy sort of look to it. So I used that, as well as my Cream of Nature argan oil mousse. And then I also used my helmet head cheese spray to curl the hair and to kind of preserve the curls. And then I wanted a little more volume, honey. I want a little in it, okay? So I decided to use my R plus CO balloon dry volume spray, which is something that actually came in my BoxyCharm. And child, I always tell you guys, honey, if they send it, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna find a way to use it, girl. So I've been using this. And yeah, y'all, that is it. Let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Do you feel like she's a look? Do you think she's a vibe? Let me know down below in the comments. Once again, shout out to you, Idefine, for sponsoring this video. I truly appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm helping me see on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Taking just be. Don't